Now, in retrospect, because hindsight is 2020, what tools could I have used or what tools could I have brought that would have saved us a whole lot of grief? I went through my toolbox and I realized that I had a few tools that I should have brought. And these are tools that I will bring on future rides. And I'll show you these tools and I'll tell you where to buy them. Harbor Freight. They're cheap. Harbor Freight tools are cheap garbage. But if you oil them down and after, you just clean it up and you oil them down, they'll last you. They will last. They're Pittsburgh brand. All right. Number one, small pry with a poker. You'll be able to hook a lot of stuff and pull it out, or be able to poke it through with this guy. Every one of these tools is about in between $5 to $8. All right. This guy is kind of a no-brainer. This guy is an easy one. Okay. But I suggest bringing this done. This will probably not be the go-to, but most people will go to this one because they think they can just poke it through and it'll somehow weasel its way out. If you're with any luck, it'll work. But it's worth having this one. These are the ones that we could have used. These, and it literally says Pittsburgh right there on the handle. These long needle nose pliers have a very small opening. I would have been able to grab them and with any luck, vise it down and pull it out. But we did have to really work on ours to get it out. Okay. Again, I had a hard piece of plastic. A lot of you guys with a piece of wood. What these will do is you'll be able to nibble it, break up the wood, and nibble little pieces out if you have a piece of wood, and you can poke the rest of it out either using this or our poker. All right. Again, Harbor Freight, long nose, needle nose pliers. Look how long this is. Not the little ones, the long ones. All right. Always bring a pair of dikes, pair of wire cutters. You might suck up a rope. You might suck up plastic line, fishing wire, and fishing line, excuse me. You could pull up a lot of this stuff, and a good sharp set of wire cutters of just a pair of dikes. If you wrap something up around your impeller shaft, these guys will cut through fishing net. They'll cut through all sorts of plastic if it's all wrapped up, and you can nibble your way to freedom with these guys. Definitely keep a good sharp set of wire cutters or dikes with you. All right. Last one I really liked. Long reach needle nose vice grips. I'll tell you why. Same thing, except for reach. Look at our difference here. All right. Got a lot more reach. And you open it up, put some tension on it, really bite down on it. You'll be able to pull that sucker right out. This one, I think, was $14. So, altogether, about $28 in tools. $28. It's a lot cheaper than C-tow. A lot cheaper than being towed back. Those tools, I think, besides obviously, like I said, socket wrench, metric, none of these are made with standard nuts and bolts anymore. No one makes them in standard. They're all metric. Metric socket wrench, long extension, socket wrench, boxed end wrenches. Probably smart to do that too. Bring some good tools, especially if you're going on a ride that you might encounter some problems. All right. Really, really basic stuff, guys. Hey, guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.